Coolest gadgets on Amazon in 2024. A fidget toy for fun and work at the same time, a USB lighter to save our environment, or what about some problem-solving gadgets? Well, stick around, we have a lot of interesting picks today. Chom Chom Pet Hair Remover. Keep your home free from loose lint and hair. The Chom Chom Lint Roller for pet hair removal works like a charm on furniture, upholstery, blankets, and other items riddled with fur. If ripping off hundreds of lint roller sheets is a pet peeve of yours when cleaning, give our pet hair removal tool a go. It doesn't require sticky tape, so you can use it again and again. No batteries or power source needed for this dog and cat hair remover. Just roll this lint remover tool back and forth to trap fur and lint into the receptacle. Upon picking up loose pet hair, simply press down on the release button to open and empty out the fur remover's waste compartment. Ninja CW102G Wide Foodie Never Stick Possible Pan. Your new 4-quart go-to pan replaces a stainless steel fry pan, non-stick fry pan, sauté pan, skillet, saucier, saucepan, steamer, strainer, spatula, cast iron skillet, roasting pan, and baking dish. Easily go from stovetop to oven to table as it works on all cooktops and is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can even bake like cast iron. Integrated utensil conveniently stores on the lid and is specially designed to match the curvature of the pan on one side to easily get into the edges of the pan for perfect serving. Integrated stainless steel basket can steam veggies and dumplings or lift the ergonomic handle, and use the convenient pour spouts to work as a strainer for pasta. Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet. Find the 5 camping gear must-haves in just one bracelet. Fire starter, reliable compass, loud emergency whistle, ferro rod striker, and 12 feet of military-grade paracord. Unlike other options, the Cobra bracelet is adjustable to fit small and big wrists. Bracelet adjusts from 8 minutes to 10.5. Perfect as hiking accessories for men, women, and kids. Did you know that cold is the #1 cause of death? Beat the statistics. In an emergency, use the flint steel to start a fire, and secure a shelter using the paracord to fight hypothermia. Add this survival bracelet tool to your hiking essentials, hunting gear, camping stuff, or fishing equipment. Energizer LED Puck Lights. Add light anywhere you need it with Energizer push on and slash off puck lights. For stylish accent lighting, place the lights underneath kitchen cabinets, shelves, or bookcases, or utilize them in smaller enclosed areas, such as closets and pantries. Each puck light requires 3 AAA batteries and can be easily mounted wherever you need them. No need to hire an expensive electrician. Just use the included double-sided tape or screw through the 2 holes in the back cover for a more permanent installation. For reliable lighting from a trusted brand, choose Energizer Puck Lights. Kloska Helmet Loop. The Kloska Helmet Loop unisex bike helmet covers the most sensitive part of the head and protects it against any impact produced by an accident. In the event of a collision, the impact is dissipated and distributed over the surface of the helmet, significantly reducing the impact. Its patented folding system prevents the helmet from folding in the event of a collision. The Kloska bike helmet for women and men has a patented folding system that reduces its volume by 45% in less than a second. This allows you to put the bike and electric scooter helmet in any bag or backpack while you are not using it. A Premio Universal Cat Litter Scooper Holder. This newly designed durable holder with an easy dumping container fits all types of scoopers, be it regular, long-handle scoopers or plastic scoopers. Collects litter from scooper to make you dump the litter easily into the trash. Convenient utility with heavy stability to keep your floors and surfaces dirt-free from a scattering of litter and dust coming from the litter scoopers. A unique hygienic way for your litter box scoop, which also doubles as a home decor piece. After trashing the leftover litter from this holder's container, just rinse with water and soap to make this holder ready for a hygienic and cleaner way to use. Breville BSB 510 XL Control Grip Immersion Blender. Sometimes making a simple soup can be hard work. Immersion blenders are supposed to make cooking easier, but they can often create problems instead of solving them, creating splatters, suctioning to the bottom of the bowl, and scratching pots. How can you control the power you need to get the texture you want? The Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender has a redesigned blade system to address these problems, a bell-shaped base and internal ribbing brake suction for greater control and efficient blending. ROX Lighter Electric Lighter Rechargeable Arc USB Candle Lighters. To protect our Earth, we have stopped printing oil-based brand logo. ROX's leading tech and multi-protect safety system ensure complete protection for you and your lighter. Ronk's latest package is made of recycled paper. The Craft Brown Paper Box can be a great gift box. This is the upgraded arc lighter, which can display real-time battery volume. When 5 LED lights on the barrel turn on, it is fully charged. USB lighter can provide over 600 uses on a full charge. Marcato Atlas 150 Pasta Machine. Italian design icon, Atlas 150, is the most appreciated model of the Marcato line. You can make lasagna, fettuccine, and tagliolini pasta shapes, and it is compatible with 12 other extra accessories. With Atlas 150, the flavor of homemade fresh pasta will enter your home. The taste of Italian tradition, the pleasure to eat together with premium quality ingredients selected directly by you. The machine is made of top-quality chrome steel. Rollers are in anodized aluminum alloy, and combs and scrapers are in acetyl resin. Zerol Original Ice Cream Scoop. Offering great quality, Zerol has been the ice cream scoop of choice in homes and ice cream parlors. Since 1935, this handy kitchen tool carves out plump round scoops of ice cream. The unique heat-conductive liquid in the handle uses the natural warmth of your hand to make for smooth and effortless scooping and easy release. The improved aluminum alloy helps resist oxidation and corrosion. The easy-to-use one-piece design has no springs to replace and is designed for right or left-hand use. Duvittery Oro Gold. Duvittery, situated in the heart of the province of Modena, works with Modena in its heart and is a fine example of the genuine quality of the agricultural industry of the Emilia area. Surrounded by its own vineyards to produce the raw material, the company continues to work according to tradition, a cohabitation of heritage and modern technology. Duvittery is 100% Modenese and stems from the passion and commitment of David Maletti, whose family comes from Modena, who decided to produce a balsamic vinegar that carefully follows the traditions of his homeland. Cullo Men's Classic Silicone Ring Collection. Meet the classic ring that's ready for anything. Timeless style for those who love the classic look of a traditional ring, but want the comfort and durability of Cullo. Extreme comfort, ultra-tough silicone. Smooth finish reduces friction and catching with other materials. The silicone material is temperature-tolerant, gasoline and oil-resistant, and non-conductive, making it functional for even the dirtiest jobs in the harshest environments. If you break it, lose it, dog-eat it, sink to the bottom of the ocean, it doesn't matter. The company replaced it and covered the shipping. Specta Fidget Ball. It's no joke. When we get frustrated, stuck on problems, or pondering on ideas, we mindlessly fidget. Why? Because fidgeting relieves stress from work, school, and everyday life, and it's fun. But while many fidget devices offer great features for releasing energy, most of them are made of plastic, which is flimsy and relegates them to being perceived as a toy. SPTTA seeks to change that by creating a high-quality, serious tool for both fidgeting and work. In charge. This universal cable connector has 4 different types of cable inputs/outputs, offering all the connectivity possibilities you'll ever need. Made of high-quality materials, the InCharge 6 has a zinc aluminum alloy metal housing, TPU cable guard, and 90 braided copper wires. It is a lightweight, portable, and easy-to-use keychain iPhone/phone charger keychain. With magnetic attachment abilities, easily snap the heads together and hang it on your carrying. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.